Hi, I'm going to show you what KnowIT is and how it helps IT managers to monitor employees more easily. KnowIT can monitor all your company PCs, Macs, Android, and iOS devices. So the first thing to do is just log in to your online KnowIT portal. We'll look at some of the key features and see what it's all about. Now this is your main dashboard, and you can actually change the background if you don't like the default colors. Just go to the main menu on the upper corner, Tools, Account Information, and then Change Background. Try one of these. Okay. Now this main menu also has your account set up. This is some basic information about your company, which also includes the default company workday schedule, as well as the holiday schedule. Now, this is important when it comes to attendance reporting, which we'll get into in a separate video. The main menu on the left also includes an install wizard, and this is very helpful to make it easy for you to install on all your different devices, whether it's PC, Mac, Android, or iPhone. Just click the one that you need and follow the on-screen wizard. Okay, so back in the dashboard, you see some overall account information, company information, and you can see here how many licenses are used. So if you have several clients, several mobile or computers that you want to install KnowIT onto, you might have several licenses. And this is a quick way to find out how many licenses you have remaining. Also, how much storage space you have. Once installed, KnowIT starts monitoring right away. Each device has its own tracker page where you can see this data. You can get there from the favorites menu, favorite employees, or all devices, which is always available in the main menu on the side, and from the home dashboard down here. So we're going to go ahead and look at some of these. And this is who we've got right now installed. If we click on this guy here, this is called the tracker page. So you're going to see different types of trackers depending on what type of client you've installed it to, whether it's a computer, a mobile phone, or what have you. For mobile trackers, you might include things like SMS and call logs. Common trackers include website visits, some IM clients, and for computers, things like USB device tracking and file transfers. So let's look at some of the main trackers for a PC, just to give you an example. We'll start with the Skype Monitoring tracker down here. And what we see first is a calendar, and the number of monitored chats is indicated directly on the calendar. Here we see 2 conversations on the 16th and 1 on the 14th. So if we click on one of these, then we can cycle through it. Pretty simple. Let's go back to the tracker page. You can keep an eye on sensitive information with the file transfer tracker. Where's that? There it is. And you can see that any file transferred to or from the computer is listed with the file name, where it came from, size, and the transfer medium that was used, and a date and time. Let's go back to the tracker page. You can also create alerts to immediately send an email whenever a file is transferred, or when a specific word or phrase is used in an IM or an email. And at the top of the tracker page, you also see Request Screenshot. Now, KnowIT provides both scheduled and on-demand screenshot capturing. We'll cover this in a separate video. Now, maybe you don't want to keep an eye on all of these different kinds of data. That's okay. You can add or remove trackers simply by clicking the X to remove one. Let's remove this one. And you can add trackers by clicking the Add Tracker button. Let's go back to the main dashboard. Now, many companies have hundreds or even thousands of devices. Keeping track of all of them can be hard work, but KnowIT does help you make this easier. Every installed device can be found in your all devices list. Quick access to specific devices can be found in your favorites list, favorite employees. So how do we do that? Adding or removing an employee device is very easy. Just go to All Devices, and this is what we call the Action menu. Click there, click here, and you can see Remove from Favorites, or it will say Add to Favorites. So you just come to All Devices, Remove or Add, and that's going to build your favorite employees list. So that's all for a general overview. We hope you found this overview useful. Please check out our other videos for more topics in our other series. Thank you.